Hello guys, welcome to the channel Best Lighting for Your Backyard Oasis. Introducing your Backyard Oasis, the power of lighting. Your backyard is more than just an outdoor space. It's an extension of your home, a place to relax, entertain, and create memories. But as the sun sets, does your backyard lose its charm? The right lighting can completely transform your outdoor space, making it not only more functional, but also visually stunning. Imagine a backyard with dull, dim lighting, dark corners, tripping hazards, and an uninviting atmosphere. Now, picture the same space with warm, glowing string lights, elegantly lit pathways, and accent lights highlighting lush greenery. The difference is night and day. Lighting is not just about visibility. It's about ambiance, safety, and enhancing the beauty of your backyard oasis. Each section of your backyard serves a different purpose, and the lighting should complement that. 1. Patio lighting. Your patio is the heart of outdoor gatherings, and the right lighting can set the perfect mood. String lights draped across a pergola or along a fence add a magical touch. Lanterns on tables or hanging from hooks create a cozy, intimate atmosphere. Spotlights can highlight architectural features or seating areas, making the space feel warm and welcoming. 2. Garden lighting. Accentuating nature's beauty. Garden lighting enhances the natural charm of your plants, flowers, and landscaping. Use path lights to define walkways, ensuring safe navigation while adding a decorative touch. Uplighting positioned at the base of trees or shrubs creates stunning silhouettes. Spotlights can highlight a water feature, a beautiful tree, or a garden statue, turning your backyard into a nighttime wonderland. 3. Pool area lighting. Safety meets elegance. A well-lit pool area is both beautiful and essential for safety. Underwater LED lights make nighttime swimming inviting while adding a dramatic effect. Deck lighting ensures that surrounding areas remain visible, preventing trips and falls. Accent lighting around the poolside, like recessed lights or small lanterns, enhances the luxurious feel of the space. Tips for choosing the right lighting fixtures. Selecting the right lights can make all the difference. Match the style to your ambiance. A modern backyard looks best with sleek, minimalistic lighting, while a rustic setup may benefit from warm lanterns or Edison bulbs. Energy efficiency and durability. Solar-powered and LED lights are excellent choices, reducing energy costs while lasting longer. Weather-resistant materials ensure longevity. Light color and temperature. Warm, white lights create a cozy, inviting feel, while cool white or blue-toned lights provide a modern, elegant touch. Experiment with different tones to see what works best. Creating a lighting plan for your backyard. Before purchasing lights, take a strategic approach. Assess your space. Identify key areas that need lighting. Where do you entertain? Where are the dark spots? Mix different light sources. Combine ambient, accent, and task lighting to balance aesthetics and function. Plan for safety and accessibility. Ensure wiring is properly installed and lights are placed where they enhance safety without creating glare. Installation tips. For string lights, ensure they are evenly spaced and securely fastened. Use waterproof LED lights for durability. For path lights, maintain consistent spacing for a balanced look. Before and after transformations. Once installed, step back and admire the transformation. A well-lit backyard can completely change the way you enjoy your outdoor space. With the right lighting, your backyard can become a breathtaking retreat, perfect for relaxation, entertainment, and enjoying nature, day or night. So, what's your next lighting project? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more garden lighting tips. See you in the next video!